Hey, I'm here today to take you on a virtual trip to one of the most breathtaking spots on Earth, Hallstatt, Austria. Nestled between the jaw-dropping Dachstein Mountains and the serene Hallstatt Lake, this village is not just a sight for sore eyes. It's a feast for the soul. Imagine waking up to the soft hues of a sunrise that bathes the pastel houses in a golden light, while the calm waters of the lake reflect the sleepy town like a mirror. Hallstatt isn't just picturesque, it's picture perfect. Now let me hit you with some interesting facts. Did you know Hallstatt is considered so uniquely beautiful that a full-scale replica of the village was built in China? Yes, you heard it right. People across the globe are so enchanted by its beauty that they recreated it thousands of miles away. The real magic of Hallstatt, though, goes beyond its looks. This village is steeped in history, dating back to the Iron Age. It's known worldwide for its salt production, which is why it's often referred to as the heart of the salt world. Imagine this tranquil little spot was once the center of a bustling salt trade. Spring in Hallstatt is like a scene from a fairy tale. The lush greenery, the blooming flowers that dot the landscape, and the gentle ripple of the lake combine to create a living painting. And if you're lucky, a gentle mist rolls over the lake at dawn, transforming Hallstatt into a mystical land shrouded in secrets. For those of you who adore a good aerial view, seeing Hallstatt from a drone is absolutely awe-inspiring. The contrast of the ancient, charming architecture against the rugged natural scenery is something that photos can hardly do justice. It's like watching a dance of nature and civilization choreographed perfectly over centuries. So whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or just someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Hallstatt offers a little piece of heaven for everyone. It's a reminder of how sometimes the simplest places hide the grandest adventures. And believe me, once you visit Hallstatt, you carry a piece of its peace with you forever. Thanks for joining me on this journey to Hallstatt. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. See you on the next adventure.